You want to know what I got in this trunk? Well, stay tuned. So as you can probably hear a little bit, I sound like garbage right now. I'm pretty sure I have a mild case of the flu. Did have a mild case of the flu. So I'm on my way back up, but I did need to go ahead and get this filmed so I could get this trunk back. I could have gotten an extension. I talked to my stylist. She was okay with giving me an extension, no problem at all. But I'm like, I feel good enough to be able to, you know, at this point, try the clothes on and go ahead and get the trunk back. So anyway, sometimes I try to like style things myself, and then other times I try to stick really close to the stylist suggestion. For this particular trunk, I am opting to go with the stylist suggestions. So everything that you see will be basically what how my stylist suggested that I wear. So anyway, all right, see you on the other side. Okay, guys, I just want to preface this by saying this is exactly what my stylist suggested. Let's go ahead and start with these pants because they're hard to miss. These are by Rachel Roy. They're satin. They have a flat front. They have an elasticized back. Now, I will say that I think these pants are way too big. And because I'm short, because I'm only 5'1", they're too long because there's an elasticized back even on the back of this. So I think these are really made to fit like joggers. I absolutely love this color. This color is gorgeous. The fabric is actually really nice too. Let me turn around. I don't know. This is just an unfortunate pair of pants for me. It just doesn't work for me. But next we'll talk about this top. Go ahead and pull the top out from Court and Row. So this is it has a little bit of stretch in the polyester fabric. It has kind of a dressy neck. It has a button closure in the back. Now it has sports sleeve. I love sports sleeves. I usually dig sports sleeves, but here's the problem for me. I carry most of my weight right here. You can see that. But when it comes to like my legs and my arms, they're not very big. So this is meant to fit kind of tight, because even if you look at the model, this arm is kind of made, it's stretchy. It's made to fit kind of tight around your arm. But because my arms aren't that big compared to the rest of, you know, parts of my body, it just kind of dangles. Look how much extra is there. So it just to me looks a little sloppy. I don't dislike this top at all. It's just probably a little dressier than anything I would really wear. But I think that the base of it is comfortable, it's cute, it's breathable. But I just kind of wanted to get these two pieces out of the way. Somebody could pull this off, just not me. So it was nice to try it, but we're gonna pass. So next ensemble is this leopard print shell or tank top, and then these Madewell jeans. So first let's start with the top. This top is in a non-stretch polyester. I'm gonna have to make sure that I make a very specific note: no more non-stretch polyester tops. They never, not once ever, have worked out, and they just don't. So I like the idea. Like I see where she was going with this, and I like it. But this just is just smushing my boobs down. There's no stretch. And I'll turn around real quick so you can see that. Next we have the Madewell jeans. I love Madewell jeans. Love, 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 love Madewell jeans. I love 5-button. There's something about a 5-button fly that I just think is really super cool. These are kind of in a really gray material. I'm gonna come close and see if you can see it. One thing that I noticed, these belt loops are huge. Not a fan. But that's not my stylist's fault. That's a Madewell thing. I want to show you something though. I usually wear a 34 in Madewell jeans. I have a couple of pair of Madewell jeans. These things are humongous. Look at all of this fabric that I can pull, and then I can put both of my arms down in them. These jeans are too big. It's a weird, you wouldn't think that just one size would make a difference, but look, I could pull these jeans all the way up to my breast and still have room. These are just too big. But I love Maywell jeans, don't get me wrong. That's how I look really silly like that. I love Maywell jeans, don't get me wrong. I love them, but these are just too big, and I'm not a real fan of the wash. I'll turn around real quick so you can see them. Again, they have plenty of stretch, plenty of, you know, movement. These are some comfortable jeans, but these are just too big that they actually look sloppy. Now, let's go to the shoes. I'm gonna move the camera down a little bit. Hopefully you'll get the shoes. Okay, so these are BP boots. I think that these are super cute. I've seen these on the website several times, Nordstrom's, and just never really, it's just nothing special about them. They sent them in the box, and I swear they're so super cute. I could have swore that these are real leather because they're so supple and soft, but they are faux leather. Vegan leather. Leather, if you will. But they're so super cute and soft. So comfortable. I can, I can do all kind of stuff in these shoes and live to tell the tale. So anyway, BP boots, booties. Super cute. Okay, so are you ready for the next look? Okay, so we'll start with this kind of dusty coral salmon type blazer. This is linen. It is very lightweight. It feels like linen. It's got a little bit of a to it. It's not really soft, but it is very breathable. And dare I say, you might actually be able to wear this winter, spring, depending on how warm it is in the summer. You know, if you have on just like a light dress with it, it might work well for like when it gets a little cool in the evening time. It was suggested that I pair it with this off the shoulder striped top that I actually bought from Trunk Club probably 6-7 months ago. A pair of black jeans. These are cut from the cloth 5-button jeans that I already own. And then I have my BP boots with it. So I really dig this look. I think this is just a cool, casual, comfortable look. I'm not the biggest fan of this color. This is probably the 4th or 5th time that I've gotten this color in something from Trunk Club, and I don't really like it. I think it's probably the one color that I just don't like the way it looks on me. It looks like meat. This reminds me of hot dogs or bologna. It just looks like meat to me. Very cool, casual look. I like it a lot. Oh, let me turn around for you. So, still a nice blazer. I think it could be a little shorter. Like if I would like it about there. I'm not sure if that's the kind of alteration that Trunk Club can do, because if you didn't know, if you buy things from Trunk Club, Nordstrom's will actually alter it for free for you as long as you show your Trunk Club receipt. So if you need, you know, a hem or something taken in a little bit, they'll actually do it for free. But I don't know that kind of major alteration, because they would have to like put darts in it and all kind of other stuff. I don't know if they actually do those kind of major type alterations. But anyway, there it is. Okay, last but not least, the next ensemble includes 2 pieces. So first we'll start with this kind of rust colored sweater. It's got a dolman sleeve on it. It has the rounded hem. And I could see how if you were regular height, this top would be too short, because this, even on me, comes to here. But for me, this is the perfect length. So I like it that it's just like easy breezy. It has the stitching, double stitching up the arm on both sides. It's stretchy, nice and stretchy. And that's the back of it. So I don't know how I feel about this color, because I have an aversion to colors that are too close to my skin tone. But I really kind of like this top. So maybe I'll just have to like put some on over it to kind of break up all this brown, all this chocolate, you know. But anyway, next we have these really cool shoes. I'm gonna pull the camera down real quick so you can see them. I think that this style is called a Diorze. where it's not full on the foot. It kind of cuts off a little bit. It's a pointed toe. It's a pretty full shoe. I just love this print. I think this print is super, super cute. These shoes in particular, my heels come out of. So this part is actually okay, but my heel is slipping out of them. So I actually have asked Trunk Club to send me a half a size smaller. I hope that doesn't mean that it gets too tight in the front, but I just really love these shoes. So is that Rihanna? Oh no. That's just Osceola. So we'll start with the sunglasses. These are from BP. It was an extra accessory that I picked for myself. I'm not the biggest fan. I think they are a little too big for my face, but it was nice to try them out, and they're only 16 bucks. You can't hardly get sunglasses at Target or Walmart for 16 bucks. This is the next ensemble. So we have this orange off the shoulder top, very tight fitting, short sleeve. It's a nice stretch, cottony polyester blend. Yeah, so really cute. I like the concept of it, but this color, as soon as I start sweating, I'd have all kinds of sweat rings and things up under here. So I like the top, but I don't think this color, because it's so tight fitting and form fitting, would be the best choice for me for, you know, warmer weather basically. Here are Reformation pants. Super high waisted, but they also are really supposed to come there. So they hit a weird length where it's just kind of like, are they supposed to be cropped? Are they supposed to be full length? I just think that it's a weird length. But I just think there's like all this animal and then all this orange and then a head and feet. So it's just kind of weird. But these are by the brand Reformation. Now what I will say is that these pants are $158. They would have to make me look like Rihanna for me to pay $158. And we all know that ain't happening. But they are very quality. You can feel the quality. They're very comfortable. If I were to wear these, I could wear these all day long. You can tell that they're not gonna get all saggy and baggy. These are great pants. So if you're the kind of person who doesn't mind paying $158 for animal print pants, then I would suggest these highly. But this just really isn't my dig. Okay. So what do you guys think about this Trunk Club? Two major things. First, I don't want any more animal print, so I'm gonna have to make sure that I am adamant about saying I don't want any more animal print. I'm over it. The other thing is that I have to make sure that I know no more polyester, crepey, non-stretch tops. They never work. But other than that, I think there were some pretty neato pieces in there. Now, did I like the Dream and Dreamy pants? No, but it was cool to try it. So I've had to learn, because it's definitely been a process. I've had to learn to be open-minded about trying things out. They don't work, they don't work. What am I gonna get? I'm thinking I'm gonna order the blazer in a different color. I like the cow print shoes. I like the black boots. And then I also like the brown speckled pullover dome sleeve sweater. So you're talking about 4 out of 10 items. That's pretty damn good. So thank you, Kat. I think you did a pretty daggum good job. Probably not gonna order another trunk until springtime, when we can get some springtime colors and some dresses. Usually don't mention my referral code. I don't really know if it gets you anything. I know if you order something, it gets me a $50 credit. So I'll leave it. Use it if you want to. Don't use it if you don't want to. But I do know that if you do use it, you'll get my stylist. And I like Kat quite a bit. I think she, of all the stylists that I've had at Trunk Club, I think that she, so far, has done the best job that I'm most pleased with. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the prices. If you have any comments, suggestions, or you just want to say hello, you know to do it below. But otherwise, I will see you next time.